Rice Boulevard is in fair overall condition. However, this portion of Rice Boulevard through West University Place is in good condition, as it provides acceptable conditions for most drivers despite exhibiting moderate signs of wear. Drivers will experience minor surface distresses, including isolated cracking, patching, and minor pavement deterioration throughout this portion of Rice Boulevard. Rice Boulevard is a relatively narrow roadway through much of West University Place, requiring drivers to exercise additional caution, particularly when traveling alongside parked automobiles, facing oncoming traffic, bicyclists, and pedestrians. Motorists should also be aware of construction projects occurring along a few areas of Rice Boulevard, which may result in temporary lane shifts, reduced travel widths, intermittent delays, and changing traffic patterns. Drivers are encouraged to remain attentive to posted signage, observe reduced speeds where applicable, and allow additional travel time when navigating on this portion of Rice Boulevard. As this road assessment travels through West University, did you know despite covering only about 2 square miles, it consistently ranks among the most desirable residential communities in Texas? Often referred to simply as West U, the city is completely surrounded by Houston, except where it borders nearby municipalities, yet operates as its own independent city, with its own police, fire, and public works departments. Known for its tree-lined streets, excellent parks, and proximity to the Texas Medical Center and Rice University, West University offers a small-town atmosphere in the heart of one of the nation's largest metropolitan areas. Rice Boulevard is lined with mature oak trees throughout much of its distance, thus creating a distinctive streetscape and providing ample shade for drivers, pedestrians, and cyclists. The tree canopy enhances the aesthetic character of West University Place and Rice Boulevard, while helping to reduce heat and improve overall driving comfort, particularly during the warmer months. This well-established landscape contributes to the unique identity of Rice Boulevard and reflects the community's commitment to preserving its natural beauty.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video.
Rice Boulevard is generally free of significant traffic congestion through West University Place, as it provides a smooth and efficient travel experience for many motorists. Traffic typically flows well along this portion of Rice Boulevard, making it an easy and convenient route for both local residents and travelers alike. While short periods of increased traffic may occur during peak commuting hours or near active construction zones, overall travel conditions remain favorable and contribute to a comfortable driving experience on this portion of Rice Boulevard. Did you know Rice Boulevard links the area around Rice University with the shopping and dining district of Rice Village before continuing through the tree-lined neighborhoods of West University Place? Despite being located in the nation's 4th largest city, much of Rice Boulevard has a neighborhood feel, with mature oak trees arching over the roadway and creating a scenic, shaded drive that is especially characteristic of the area. As Rice Boulevard passes through Rice Village, motorists should anticipate a noticeable increase in traffic congestion due to the area's concentration of popular shops, restaurants, and pedestrian activity. Frequent turning movements, on-street parking, four-way stop intersections, and higher volumes of vehicles can contribute to slower travel speeds and periodic delays, particularly during peak shopping, dining, and weekend hours. Drivers are encouraged to remain patient, stay alert for pedestrians and cyclists, and allow additional travel time when traveling through this busy portion of Rice Boulevard. Drivers may notice after traveling on a section of newly paved asphalt that provides a smooth and comfortable ride that the road changes significantly at this point. Drivers may notice a distinct change in pavement quality as the roadway transitions to an older segment exhibiting more pronounced surface distress. This section contains numerous roadway imperfections, including road humps, longitudinal and transverse cracking, potholes, pavement repair patches, and areas of poor road maintenance. The contrast in ride quality is readily apparent, and motorists are encouraged to reduce speed and remain attentive to changing pavement conditions to ensure a safe and comfortable driving experience.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.